mo yan ang pinaabot. Grabe, super pigment.
Yung tinawag niya. Kasi 6:30 na guys, sa totoo lang tinatamad ako. Pero, it's Sunday today and nag-walk talaga kami every Sunday. It's either morning or, ayan, paggabi na. And gusto ko rin talaga mag-matcha. And sana dun sa may Intramuros meron. Yun lang. Tara na, walk na tayo.
We say,
We're done na sa church, magwa-warm up na kami. Hi guys, after 3 km, balik na kami dun pa church sa General Luna Street for matcha sana. So guys, we're here. Ang cute lang kasi may mga kumakanta pala dito. Wait.
the memories that never can escape.
So yun guys, wala kaming makitang stall for coffee or matcha sana. More on alam mo yun, yung shake or juice, more on juices, ganun. So, di ko alam kung saan meron. Yeah, sana makabili kami ng coffee, tas diyan kami upo. Heh, so cute. Sobrang cute, guys. So, guys, grabe, pawis pa ako. Pero kita niyo ba? Ang ganang ginamit kong blush on. Tsaka feeling ko yung setting spray. Kaya tumatagal talaga siya. Tsaka yan. Yun yung ambience. Ang ganda. We're here at La Catedral Cafe. So, ito yung view sa La Catedral Cafe. Have here, matcha. Matcha latte, iced mocha latte. Tapos, chicken alfredo, and fries overload. Go, Dad. That is for my mini vlog. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!